This is so you can put the receipt. Ooh, I dropped it. No, I dropped it first thing. Son of a mish. Oh. All right, y'all, I just got this DJI wireless microphone, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing. So I kind of already did open it up a little bit, but I decided it'd be best to record this. You guys are gonna hear what the audio sounds like at the end of the video. I'll show y'all. This is obviously without it because it's still in the packaging, but you'll see what the audio sounds like at the end of the video. It's just kind of just like a bag to carry it in, I guess. I'll drop this stuff. Then you got what looks like just a regular 3.5 millimeter cable. You got USB to, I guess this is USB-C or something. These are the kind of wind caps thing that keep it from making a lot of noise when you're in the wind. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called like a dead cat or something like that. I have another one over here that goes on my other microphone. So this is it right here. DJI, nice solid box. It's kind of like magnet. That's fire. So there's the two microphones that it comes with, and then the receiver that is going to go plug up to the phone. So you'll be able to see like the different levels on here. You can set let's set it to English. English, very good. Yeah, see, I'm gonna have to set this whole thing, so we'll do that. And then you have the mics right here. So it can like clip on, right? It's got the clip, but this is also a magnet. So this little piece right here is a magnet I could put on the other side of my shirt if I didn't have anything to clip. And then the receiver is gonna be right there. You could probably plug this jack into here. I don't know what else it will go to, but I'm sure I can Google all that. And then this is, so this is so you can put the receipt. Ooh, I dropped it. No, I dropped it first thing. Son of a mish. Oh. Anyway. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Oh, okay, let's go. So here's the receiver, and then yes, you will be able to put I guess this will slide on here so that it'll plug right in. Let's see if I can do that right now. Wow, I can't do it. Okay, so yeah, you slide it in like this, so that way it could slide right into my phone. Okay, cool. Yeah, so let's see what the audio sounds like. All right, YouTube, I'm here with another video, and today I got Jordy and Perez in the background cutting hair, but you can't see him because it's blurry. You know why it's blurry? Because I got the new iPhone 14 Pro Max, so we got the cinematic view, so you're gonna be seeing some better quality from my videos and hopefully from the pictures that go on Instagram and stuff like that. Also, this right here is the DJI wireless microphone. So if you can't see it, but it's attached to the phone, the receiver, and it wirelessly connects. So hopefully the audio that you guys are gonna be getting right now is gonna be really dope. And all right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be bringing y'all some new content coming in 2023. So stick around, stay tuned, like and subscribe. If y'all enjoy some of this, I got more for y'all, all right?